How you guys doing? Welcome back to another Life of Austin video.
And we're gonna do a prank on Austin.
So Austin doesn't know this prank, but we're gonna do the sneeze prank. Lucas got that, and we're gonna do this prank on him. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you leave a like and subscribe. Let's do this.
He's coming! He's coming!
He's coming. Hi guys.
We just turned on the video for you.
Oh, hi guys. Well, I'm just wondering.
Oh! What the? What do you think you're doing, huh?
Oh my god. It's just a prank. Jeez.
I don't care about it freaking.
Hey, settle down. Stop it.
Okay, guys, there you go. And I'm sorry about the light, guys, but I got pretty mad right there, so we gotta pause the video. But I'm sorry about the light, guys. I know it's getting pretty dark. It's, what time is it? 7:57, almost 8 o'clock. It's night. Give me this. Did you guys show him when he was doing, what? Yeah, we showed him what that was. Yeah, it's just this. They went, yeah, they just did that. And guys,
Hope you enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe to Cody Gaming. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. And
no, that sneeze didn't work. Okay.